In modern product development, especially in software and digital industries, two key roles often come into play: the Scrum Master and the Project Manager. While they may seem similar, these roles serve very different purposes. The Project Manager typically oversees the entire project scope, timeline, and resources, ensuring business goals are met. The Scrum Master, on the other hand, focuses on team facilitation and upholding the Agile process, particularly within Scrum teams. To understand how each contributes to a product's success, it's helpful to examine their roles across the full product life cycle, from initiation to retirement. During the initiation phase, the project manager or PM plays a central role. They help identify business needs, define high-level objectives, and assess the feasibility of the proposed project. The PM conducts stakeholder analysis, preliminary risk assessments, and resource estimates. They are often responsible for writing a business case, obtaining funding, and getting project approval. Their goal at this stage is to clearly define what the product should achieve and why it matters to the business. The Scrum Master usually has limited involvement in the initiation phase. However, in organizations that already follow Agile practices, the Scrum Master may assist by helping leadership understand how Scrum could support early product discovery. They might help define early backlog items with the product owner or support the setup of Agile teams. Their early involvement is more advisory, ensuring Agile principles are considered even in the planning stages. Once the project is approved, the project manager takes the lead in detailed planning. They create comprehensive project plans that include scope definition, timelines, budgets, and resource allocation. They coordinate with department leads to assign roles, identify milestones, and establish risk mitigation plans. Their work ensures that all stakeholders have a shared understanding of the project's direction, responsibilities, and deadlines. In this phase, the Scrum Master begins actively shaping the team's Agile foundation. They coach the team and product owner on how to use Scrum effectively, including the purpose of Scrum ceremonies and roles. They help the product owner refine and prioritize the product backlog, ensuring that backlog items meet the definition of ready. The Scrum Master also works to remove early collaboration barriers and supports team formation and Agile mindset adoption. As the project moves into execution, the project manager's job becomes more operational. They track progress against the plan, manage scope changes, control the budget, and ensure quality. They regularly update stakeholders through meetings and reports, making strategic decisions to keep the project on track. They also manage cross-team coordination, external vendors, and internal approvals to prevent roadblocks and ensure deliverables are met. This is where the Scrum Master is most hands-on. They facilitate all Scrum ceremonies, daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. Their main focus is to remove impediments that hinder team productivity and to protect the team from external distractions. The Scrum Master ensures continuous delivery of value by helping the team stay focused, collaborate effectively, and uphold Agile values such as transparency, inspection, and adaptation. In the release phase, the project manager coordinates go-to-market strategies and ensures that all final deliverables meet expectations. They work with QA, marketing, legal, and customer support teams to prepare for launch. Tasks might include compliance checks, training plans, final testing, and stakeholder approval. The PM ensures that everything needed for a successful product release is aligned and executed smoothly. During release, the Scrum Master continues supporting the team by facilitating sprint reviews and ensuring stakeholder feedback is integrated into future work. They work with the product owner to refine the backlog based on real-world usage and help the team reflect on the sprint outcomes in retrospectives. Their role is to keep the team agile, focused, and adaptable during this fast-moving phase. Maintenance and support phase. Once the product is live, the project manager may continue to manage post-launch updates, customer feedback loops, and any change requests. They monitor performance metrics, track costs, and ensure the support structure is in place. The Scrum Master helps the Agile team continue delivering value through regular sprints, addressing bugs, and supporting new user needs. They make sure the team continues to learn and improve, even in a steady-state support mode. Retirement phase project manager's role. When the product reaches the end of its life cycle, the project manager handles sunsetting activities. This includes data migration, decommissioning systems, user notifications, and formal project closure. They ensure a smooth transition and proper documentation for auditing or legacy support purposes. Retirement phase Scrum Master's role. The Scrum Master helps guide the team through the transition as work winds down. They may support knowledge transfer to other teams, finalize backlog items, and facilitate final retrospectives to gather lessons learned. Their focus is on maintaining morale, capturing insights, and ensuring the Agile team is ready to move on to new initiatives smoothly. In summary, the project manager and Scrum Master both play essential roles in delivering successful products, but they operate in fundamentally different ways. The project manager manages the overall project, focusing on scope, schedule, budget, and communication across all stages of the life cycle. The Scrum Master, meanwhile, champions Agile principles, facilitates team collaboration, and ensures that Scrum is practiced effectively. When both roles are clearly understood and work in harmony, they can complement each other to deliver high-quality, customer-focused products on time and within budget.